Good afternoon, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about grammar exercise adverbs. What is adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, fast, quickly, slowly, kindly, loudly. Some more detailed explanation of an adverb is a word or an expression that modifies a verb, adjective, another adverb, determiner, clause, preposition or sentence. Adverbs typically express manner, place, time, frequency, degree, level of certainty, etc. Answering questions such as how, in what way, when, where, and to what extent. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs are divided into 8 kinds on the basis of their use. Kinds of adverbs. First one, adverbs of manner. Second one, adverbs of place. Third one, adverbs of time. Fourth one, adverbs of frequency. Fifth one, adverbs of certainty. Sixth one, adverbs of degree. Seventh one, interrogative adverbs. Eighth one, relative adverbs. First one, adverbs of manner. The adverbs that answer the question how or in what manner an action takes place is called adverbs of manner. For example, well, clearly, soundly, quickly, bravely, happily, hard, fast, unfortunately, luckily, sadly, probably, possibly, evidently, slowly, sweetly. Some more examples. He came quickly. Quickly, adverbs of manner. The students played well. Well, adverbs of manner. Hema dances gracefully on the stage. Gracefully, adverbs of manner. Next one, Suresh speaks English fluently. Fluently, adverbs of manner. He feels sadly. Sadly, adverbs of manner. Next one, adverbs of place. The adverbs that tell where an action takes place are called adverbs of place. For example, near, here, there, up, down, below, above, in, out. Some more examples. The hospital is very near. Near, adverbs of place. Please sit here. Here, adverbs of place. They gathered there. There, adverbs of place. The doctor went out. Out, adverbs of place. Come here. Here, adverbs of place. Third one, adverbs of time. The adverbs that tell when an action takes place are called adverbs of time. For example, early, soon, still, it, before, now, then, today, tomorrow, never, since, ago, daily, already, yesterday. For example, he left for Mumbai yesterday. Yesterday, adverbs of time. I have met him before. Before, adverbs of time. She arrived late for the marriage. Late, adverbs of time. Today is Sunday. Today, adverbs of time. Shanti will come here soon. Soon, adverbs of time. Fourth one, adverbs of frequency. The adverbs that answer the questions how often or in what order are called adverbs of frequency. For example, always, occasionally, once, twice, often, never, frequently, again, seldom. Some more examples. They often visit us. Often, adverbs of frequency. I met him only once. Once, adverbs of frequency. I have told you twice. Twice, adverbs of frequency. She seldom comes here. Seldom, adverbs of frequency. We never go to films. Never, adverbs of frequency. Fifth one, adverbs of certainty. The adverbs which are used to show definiteness of the action are called adverbs of certainty. For example, obviously, surely, certainly, definitely. Some more example, I shall certainly help you. Certainly, adverbs of certainty. Surely you are mistaken. Surely, adverbs of certainty. Definitely, I shall tell you the truth. Definitely, adverbs of certainty. I surely accept him tomorrow. Surely, adverbs of certainty. He will definitely help me. Definitely, adverbs of certainty. Sixth one, adverbs of degrees. The adverbs that answer the question how much or to what extent are called adverbs of degrees. For example, almost, fully, hardly, enough, very, rather, fairly, too, altogether, any, quite, partly. For example, the story is much interesting. Much, adverbs of degrees. She is so happy. So, adverbs of degrees. They finish the work almost. Almost, adverbs of degrees. I have enough money. Enough, adverbs of degrees. The sea is very stormy. Very, adverbs of degrees. Seventh one, interrogative adverbs. The adverbs which are used in asking questions are called interrogative adverbs. For example, when, where, why, how. Some more examples. Where are you going now? Where, interrogative adverbs. What is your plan? What, interrogative adverbs. When will the train arrive? When, interrogative adverbs. How are you? How, interrogative adverbs. When do you come? When, interrogative adverbs. Eighth one, relative adverbs. The adverbs which are used to relate two clauses or statements are called relative adverbs. For example, why, when, where. Some more example. Do you know when the train will come? When, relative adverbs. This is the stop where I met him. Where, relative adverbs. This is the reason why I left. Why, relative adverbs. I remember the house where I was born. Where, relative adverbs. When I next see her, I shall speak to her. When, relative adverbs. Okay children, next today's assignment. Book exercises. Identify the kinds of the underlined adverbs. Write in your English grammar note or rough note. Topic, adverbs. Identify the kinds of the underlined adverbs. First one, Uncle Himanshu often visits Amritsar. Often, frequency. Second one, where will the class assemble for the cleanliness drive? Where, interrogative. Third one, surprisingly, the streets were not crowded in the city. Surprisingly, manner. Fourth one, Mahima is waiting for you outside. Outside, place. Fifth one, later the cousins went out to watch a film. Later, time. Sixth one, how will Mariam go to the sports center? How, interrogative. Seventh one, Trisha has always wanted to go on a vacation in the hills. Always, frequency. Eighth one, Charu is extremely cautious while driving. Extremely degree. Ninth one, there are many handloom shops located nearby. Nearby place. 10th one, the announcement entered abruptly. Abruptly, manner. 11th one, Ritika couldn't get enough sleep last night. Last night, time. 12th one, the stadium was completely packed with the supporters of both the teams. Completely, degree. So, these answers are frequency, adverbs of frequency, interrogative adverbs, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, read and write given grammar exercise in your English grammar note or rough note. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Thank you children. Best wishes.